We just put together this 3-piece outdoor furniture set, and I love the fact that it's rattan because it is great for outdoors. It is weatherproof. Doesn't matter if it's going to rain on it. It is not going to ruin it, and it's nice and tightly woven, which is great. This little table is really awesome because you actually have these little suction cups so that glass is not just going to accidentally slide off, which is really, really great. You have your cushions, and they come in a zipper pouch. Easy removal for you to be able to clean. You've got some nice squishy sponge there. They do come in other colored cushions, which is great. And you can also get this in a gray set. Very comfortable. They are lightweight, which is really nice, so you can move them around wherever you want to put them. It's easy to put them inside the house. They're not heavy at all. And they came really nice in a small box. I was actually surprised at how big they were because of how small the box was. Easy to assemble. They look really nice, super comfortable. I'm definitely happy with this purchase.